Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Party needs more time to decide about Shripad and CM candidate circumstances to decide about the rejected candidates joining BJP from Congress. Arun Jaitely tells Prudent in an exclusive interview. Jitendra Deshprabhu joins Congress, faces severe opposition to his candidature in Porvoori. Porvoori Congress bloc threatens to tender mass resignations. BJP's Jan Sampark Abhiyan begins in the state. Arun Jaitely flags off the Abhiyan, calls for change in the government. I-League giants Dempo Sports Club set for foreign boost. Sporting put Korean on trials as a one-month transfer window opens in India. Salgaonkar and Churchill brothers rule out new signings. And Royal Challengers Madgaon defeat Iqbal 11 in Babu Brothers 2020 finals. Damodar Redkar wins Man of the Series award. And now the news in detail. Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha Arun Jaitely, in an exclusive interview to Prudent, revealed that the BJP needs more time to decide about Shripad's Naik candidature and the party's CM candidate. He said that circumstances will decide future of aspirants who will be joining the BJP after getting rejection from the Congress.
You are saying there is no doubt in the mind of the party regarding this issue, whether he should come back to local politics or he should stay at the center.
Shripad is a man of great talent. He is a solid organizational man. He has great utility in the sector. He is a very eminent, he is a very senior member of parliament. And therefore, the party will utilize him in the best manner that it considers fit. The point is that we don't have to unnecessarily create a controversy where none exists. We've run governments in the past. We've had some leaders in the state, some leaders in the center. And both have made a huge contribution to the party.
This is the first time you are saying that you will not announce CM candidate and go for the election.
We have not said anything of this kind. Let the elections campaign pick up. The party will take a decision and announce whatever it thinks best in the interest of the candidate.
So right now there is nothing is decided on this issue.
Why do you say that? After all, decision is not a surgical process.
What will be your stand as far as those candidates are concerned who will be rejected by the Congress? If they come to your party, what will be your stand?
This is a matter of electoral strategy. Our normal preference is for our own political workers. Our preference is for men of integrity. Our preference is also on winnability. So if they come to us in constituencies where we have strong and we have very, very winnable candidates, the answer is no. But in some rare exception, it may be a point of strategy, though it's not a matter of preference.
Can BJP think of coming to power alone in this situation, or you need another?
Well, I think it's a matter of strategy. We may come to power on our own. We have in the past come to power on our own. But at times you enter into alliance in order to avoid a vote split, so that you enjoy a comfortable majority. And therefore, alliances are always, they are a force multiplier. And therefore, if alliances do take place, I think it only ensures not only the victory, but also the margin of victory.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Jitendra Deshprabhu joined back Congress on Monday. Deshprabhu is interested in contesting from Porvoori constituency. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar said that illegal mining allegation against Deshprabhu will not hamper the party's prospects. On the other side, Porvoori Bloc Congress has threatened to resign en masse if Deshprabhu is given the Porvoori ticket.
Jitendra Deshprabhu was loaned out to the NCP in 2009 for Lok Sabha election. Now, after 3 years, Deshprabhu is back in the Congress. He has clarified that he has no role in the illegal mining. He is aspiring for Porvoori ticket. Deshprabhu feels that a new constituency like Porvoori should be won by Congress. Deshprabhu is optimistic about Dayanand Narvekar's cooperation.
He will be gracious to support me and help me. कल मैं घर में कुछ करूं और मेरे इसमें बागान में और बगीचे में यदि खान मिल जाए तो क्या मैं इसका उल्लंघन करके माना जाएगा? परमिशन लेनी है। परमिशन जो भी चीजें हैं वो ले चुके थे। लेकिन फिर भी जो भी हुआ है सब लोगों को जानकारी होगी.
Subhash Shirodkar is confident that illegal mining episode involving Desh Prabhu will not affect the Congress party. He also admitted that clean personalities are rare in politics.
त्याचे सगळं पूर्ण विचार करून आम्ही त्याका परत काँग्रेस पक्षांक घेतली इलेक्शन जावचे ना. सी आयच्या पेपराचेर पळय दुतले तांदळा सारखे कोण नाश म्हटला. बीजेपीच्या एक मोठ्या लिडरान म्हटला की इवन अवर पार्टी हॅज गॉट हार्डली 65 to 70% अशें म्हटला. सो ताजो अर्थ असो आसा की थंय सुद्धा करप्शन आसा, थंय सुद्धा भ्रष्टाचार आसा आणि त्यामुळे हर एक पार्टीची जबाबदारी जावन आसा हे कमीत कमी आमी कशें करतले, हे निवळसाण कशी करीत व्हरतले.
On the other side, whole Parwari Block Congress is against Desh Prabhu's candidature from Parwari. Parwari Block Congress has threatened to resign in large numbers if ticket goes to Desh Prabhu. 4 names have already sent to the High Command.
जो हालीच जो कंट्रोवर्शियल मायनिंग हितून 15 दीस जेलीन पडलेलो तो जाल्यार आमकां निल्ल जे कॅन्डिडेट अजिबात नाका हे आमी काँग्रेसीक सरळ सांगूंक सोदता. टेंटेड आमकां कॅन्डिडेट दिवं नाका. हितून जे कोण प्रामाणीकपणे जोका उमेद आहा लोकांची सेवा करपाची, कार्य करपाची तितूनचो एक कॅन्डिडेट दिवचो.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari and Ravindra Dalvi.
BJP's Jan Sampark Abhiyan began from Monday in the capital city. The Abhiyan was flagged off by the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitely. Jaitly criticized the Congress government and called for change in the government. The Abhiyan will be held in all constituencies for the next 15 days.
Jana Sampark Abhiyan of the Bharatiya Janata Party began on Monday from Azad Maidan in Panji. Opposition leader in the Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitly, opposition leader in Goa, Manohar Parrikar, State President Lakshmikant Parsekar, North Goa MP Shripad and other BJP workers were present at the Abhiyan. Jaitly called for a change in the government.
मैं चाहूंगा मनोहर जी कि इस यात्रा के दौरान आप अवगत करवाएं गोवा की जनता को कि जो आपका अधिकार है वो इस प्रकार की राजनीति आपको मिले वो नहीं है. गोवा की जनता की राजनीति, गोवा की जनता को शासन मिले उसका स्तर क्या होना चाहिए इससे जनता को अवगत करवाएं और गोवा की राजनीति में और यहाँ की राजनीतिक सभ्यता और संस्कृति में एक परिवर्तन लाने का हम लोग प्रयास करें.
येणारो 3 मार्च हो अत्यंत आमकां महत्वाचो आसा. तो ऐतिहासिक दीस आसतलो आणि त्या ऐतिहासिक दिसाक गोंयचे राजकीय परिवर्तन आमी करपाक कटिबद्ध आसात. आमी कटिबद्ध जावया.
North Goa MP Shripad who is one of the aspirants from Pororim constituency, said that only BJP can give a clean and non-corrupt government in the state.
हे जे काँग्रेसचे मंत्री आमदार आसात हे टोळी आसात ते स्वताचो स्वार्थ साधपाक एकटे जाल्ले आसात आणि तांणी गोंयाक खंय व्हेलां हें तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगपाची गरज ना. आणि खरें जर गोंय आमी स्वतंत्र करतले तर ह्या भ्रष्टाचाराच्या स्वार्था विरुद्ध ताका मुक्ती दिवपाचें काम आमकां सगळ्यांक करपाचें आसा.
सगळे जातून भितर ज्या लोकांचो गोंया भितर इंट्रस्ट आसा मागीर ते हिंदू आसत, मुस्लीम आसत, कॅथलीक आसत, हे सगळे एकत्र येवन एके कडेन येवन गोंयकारांक एक नवें परत एकदा ब्रायट फ्युचर दिवपाच्या दृश्टीन आज ह्या यात्रेची सुरवात आमी हांगा करीत आसा.
Our reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.